Following the massive trail of destruction caused by Typhoon Ramasun in the Philippines, which claimed many lives and left behind significant damage in homes of thousands of residents, everyone needs to get ready for whatever lies ahead. As we get ready for the approaching storm, it's important that we be alert and take the necessary safety procedures to guarantee everyone's safety and well-being. To ensure your safety and the safety of your family during the typhoon, follow these preparation tips and guidance from Michiko. Michiko?
Thanks, Sean. Before a typhoon, you should prepare a survival bag, ensure that you have a first aid kit for injuries, stock up on ready-to-eat food like canned goods and chocolate bars, store at least 1 gallon of bottled water, safeguard important documents in a waterproof or fireproof envelope such as birth certificates, paper insurance, and passports. Have extra clothes, blankets, or rain gear ready. Have a hygiene kit, keep a flashlight, whistle, and battery-operated radio at all times. Charge your cell phone, power banks, and have extra batteries. Ensure that you have extra cash on hand. Decide on a safe place to stay, and most importantly, have a family emergency plan and proceed with caution. During a typhoon, you should seek shelter and remain indoors. Don't go to hazardous areas. Stay calm and comfortable. Don't drive as the roads will be blocked by trees and such. Not only that, but the roads will also be slippery. Always wear warm and dry clothing. Listen to weather updates. Follow evacuation instructions from local authorities. Turn off utilities if instructed. Turn on your refrigerator to its coldest temperature and keep its doors closed. Secure your home by closing storm shutters, bringing outdoor objects indoors. After a typhoon, you should return home when authorities declare it is safe. Check for injured or trapped individuals while avoiding putting yourself in danger. Be cautious of potential flooding. Do not attempt to drive through floodwaters. Avoid standing waters which may be electrically charged. Refrain from drinking water until officials confirm it's safe. Seek medical assistance if needed. Being alert at all times is the best method to guarantee readiness.
I'm Shanok Sona,
I am Michiko Villanueva, your reporter today.
and you're watching Cuatro News. Thank you for listening.